So the list is the after the list whatever written after this column whatever written minus 1 is the index value, the last index value. For example, this is I have written 4 minus 1 is the 3. So the third is the last element. 0 is my first element, 0th index. This is the first index, this is the second index, and this will be the this third index. That means whatever I mention, for example I have to mention 5, so it will print from starting 0th index, 1th index, second, third till 4th only. That means 0 to 5 elements. You can, in this way you can remember till 200. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, that means 5 minus 1. Okay, if I am not mentioning anything, I am just putting double quote, single quote, single colon, then it will print all the elements starting from 0 to the end. If I am to put minus 1 here, what happen? It will print from the excluding the last one, Behra. All the elements excluding the last one. Suppose I want to exclude 2 elements from the last, then minus 2. It has excluded 300 and Behra, the 2 elements excluded, because I have mentioned minus 2. This is the negative index, negative indexing, that is minus 2. Okay, if I want to minus 3, it will show from till 100. All these will be seen. You can see from Kumar, Sarath, Medicine, and 100. Okay, minus 3. The 3 things excluded, last 3 things excluded, that is minus 3. Okay, so again going forward, just move forward. What does mean by 1? If I put 1 and colon, from index 1 to the end, from index 1 to the end, it will print from index 1, not from 0. If nothing is mentioned, that means it is started from 0. If I have mentioned 1, that means it will print from index 1 to the end, because at the end of the after this column I have not mentioned anything. That means starting from index 1 to the end of the list. Okay, 1 to 4, that means starting from index 1 to the third index, 4 minus 1. Okay, similarly another thing is there. For example, I want to I know this 4. What is this 4 value? Do you know? Okay, I'm putting here. What is the length of? There is a function I have told you, the length of my list. This is always the last, the total number of the element. If I put minus 1 here, and it will give me the last index. Okay, it will if I am using length of my list, it will keep the total number of elements present in my list. The length, that is number of elements are present. Okay, if I put minus 1, it will show the last index number. Obviously there's because we are starting from 0, the last index number will be the total number of list minus 1. This will be the last index, 0th index. See here, 0th index, 0th, 1 2 3 4 5 6th index, and there are 7 elements. Okay, so if I want to print starting from third element to the end of the element, what I can write? I can write my list. Okay, I put the column starting from third index, so I'll put 3, and end all starting from third to the all indexes. All indexes means the length of my list. Okay, this will give from third 0 1 2 0 1 2 third index till the end. Okay, similarly one index. Okay, this is from second L to 0 1 2. Okay, 0 1 2 medicine, starting from medicine. If I put 3, it will start from 100. 0 1 2 3. Okay, so in this way we can explore our elements. We can extract our element, different element from my list by using the index. I think hope almost now clear about indexing of the list. Very important. So another thing, how to append the nested list. We know to append a string, a single element, but a nested element, how to append. I want to make a list John and Brahma, and these are the two string element. I have put it into a list because this is a square bracket is there, so this is a list, and I want to append this complete list into my list. So what will be the command? My list dot append. I have to mention in the parenthesis, in the bracket, normal bracket, we can put this list. This is a list because this is put it inside the square bracket. Okay, so in this way we can append, and this is shown here as a nested list. This is called nested list. This is my list is converted into a nested list. Suppose my list is 1 2 3 4, and I want to extend, add two elements together. There is a command called extend, dot extend, inbuilt function. So you can extend my list 3 4, and after that it will be added 8 and 9 together. Okay, append command is just added one element at the end, but here in extend command we can add more than one element also. So various operations are in the list. We can sum the list. For example, now my list is contains 1 2 3 4 8 9, and the sum of the list I have calculated, it will sum the all the elements inside my list. And the pop is removing an element. By default it will remove, extract the last, by default remove the value from the list. So for example, my list dot pop, my list contains 1 2 3 4 8 9. These are the elements of my list, and if I have the pop, I use the pop command, it will extract from, it will give a result the last element only, the 9. If it will, if I'll put 1, then it will pop my second index, the first index. Okay, 0th position, 1st position, 2. Okay, if I'll put my list to run this one, okay, then I want to run this one 2. If I want to pop the second index, then it will show 4.